Purple.
Purple? Mr. Solomon, what color is it? That's white and gold.
No, that's not the white.
Are you serious?
This is white and gold. That dress is clearly blue and black.
All right,
Yeah,
let's
no,
see.
but-
That's weird. Christiana, stop.
Don't come back down. It's clearly blue and black.
I think it's... Daddy, let me see the picture again.
No, seriously.
No, I promise you.
That's why people. That's
Take
why
your
people.
glasses off and look.
This happened
Okay,
last
wait, maybe
night.
if we
Can you
had
see
all
how
like...
silly
I did not
this
see
is?
no white and gold. Not even
You
just
see
that
white and
purple.
gold too, right, Kim?
Yes, that's
Kim,
what
and
I
then
You
see.
see white and gold?
Yes, that's what I see.
I see
Oh
white
wait,
and gold
what
too.
lines are white and gold though?
And that's why I was freaking out. My daughters, one of them saw
This
blue
is
black.
white and then this is gold.
Yes.
That's what I see.
The jacket
Like
is white.
straight,
Are you
white.
serious?
This is white, like white,
This
like
is
this.
crazy.
The jacket
This
is
is
white.
crazy because
Do
what
you
I
have
see.
glasses?
No,
That's
because
what
this is crazy because what I see here is blue and this is black.
No,
No,
I see white and
white
gold.
and
It looks
gold.
like what you have
I
on.
promise.
Oh my God, this is freaking me out right now.
Why is that happening?
That's how I
Is
was.
this demonic? Are y'all?
No.
I'm serious.
This look no seriously.
Hey, put your code in one more time.
Seriously, this
That's
is freaking
that's
me out
not.
right
That
now.
can't.
Yes,
That can't be
that's
real.
how I was last night with my sister
This
and
is
my
freaking
daughters.
me out. Like seriously.
And my mom.
Because
Yeah, what your mama see? What color
She
did your
saw,
mama see?
she saw beige and white. She said beige and white. Golden.
What? How can blue possibly? So do y'all see the sleeves as being white too?
Yes, the sleeves are white and it has, you know, this
Wow.
is white, this is gold, 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 gold. You
No.
know, and stripes.
So you don't see no blue.
No
Right
blue,
now.
No, I
no
don't
black.
see any blue,
No
any,
blue, no
any,
Are y'all
any-
serious?
I am so serious. I
This
am
is
so
freaking me
serious.
out.
Try
Like,
to look at it with your
this is
glasses
I
off.
am so serious. I'm serious. The same thing. It's just blurry.
I
is
see
that
blue and
possible?
black. I see blue and
Let me see,
black.
let me
Oh
see,
my
let me
God.
see.
How is that possible?
That's why so much
gold. That's what
controversy
I
because
see.
Sister,
I think it's what people are actually seeing. So what does that mean? If you see white and gold, what does that mean?
Yes, because
Do you
no
mean
matter
you're
what
certain
angle,
you're a certain type of person if you see white and gold? And
is
if
it
you
like
see
your
black?
IQs have anything to do with your IQ? Does that have anything to do with what?
But I see white and gold. And my
Yes.
sister sees
This is
blue
so
and
weird.
white.
This is weird. This is weird.
That's very weird.
Now I'm gonna go.
Now I want to be a part of the
No,
controversy.
no. Now I'm gonna go and research to
Yes.
see what that means. So if you see white and gold, what does that mean? If you see blue and black, what does it mean? Does it mean the people that see white and gold is crazy?
I don't know.
She's like,
I don't know what it is, but I see white.
That's crazy. I can't believe y'all see white and gold.
I'm supposed to research this, y'all. Y'all driving me
crazy.
crazy. I'm researching
That's very
it
crazy.
right now. Right now. I'm supposed to see what this means.
What
do y'all
like
think?
The dress.